Hi, this is flip class number 4. I'm going to show you several sentences or sentence patterns that you're to write original sentences emulating those patterns. Before that, now that we've gotten a chance to see Kenneth Branagh's face as a version of Hamlet, I thought I'd show you a couple of others, just because Hamlet is a fairly iconic role. First of all, there in the bottom left, that's Laurence Olivier playing Hamlet in a film version from the 1950s. He's holding the skull of Yorick, who was his friend, who obviously is dead now. There's the Mel Gibson version, also on film, and maybe you guys will use that in your teaching presentations. Jude Law as Hamlet. Don't have a film version of that, but he did star on Broadway in, I think, 2010. There's David Tennant's Hamlet. Currently, he's acting as though he's crazy in the Antic Disposition, but we have a film version of that. And then there's Ethan Hawke's Hamlet. Again, very stylized version, interesting take on the classic story. So here we are, we're sentence patterns 8 and 9 and 10. Before we do that, a quick little grammar lesson, specifically about an appositive. An appositive is what we call a noun or a noun phrase that renames another noun right beside it. It's anytime you use a comma and rename something that's been identified already, like Larry Williams, comma, the English teacher, comma, he's talking to you right now. The English teacher would be the appositive phrase. So here's another example. My angry neighbor, the hockey coach, helped me mow the lawn. So there, the hockey coach is the appositive. So pattern number 8 is an introductory series of appositives with a dash, critical, and then a summarizing subject. And the key summarizing word before the subject may be one of these. So such, all, those, this, many, each, which, what, these, something, someone. Here are some examples of that pattern. Oppression, vanity, possession, passion, which serves as the awakening's main source of conflict. So in this case, which is that summary word. The petty, the wronged, the fallen, the cowardly, the righteous, the deluded. Each plays a role on the stage of Shakespeare's vast human drama. And then for you American history fans, the tea tax, the lack of representation, the distance from the mother country, the growing sense of a new nationalist identity all contributed to the American Revolution. It's true, they did. Here is pattern number 9. It just shifts the place of where that series of appositives are, or modifiers. In this case, you can set off that internal series either with dashes or with parentheses. They don't serve exactly the same function. Parentheses is for less important than dashes. Here's an example of that one. Newfoundland, barren rock, mystical ambiance, new found land, bears coils rebirth. And pattern 10 is just a variation of that with the single appositive, 2 dashes or 2 parentheses, or commas in the case. A barren rock, Newfoundland serves as the fertile soil for coils growth. So notice I had a little paradox going on in that last sentence as well. Anyway, that's it. That's patterns 8, 9, and 10. Have a nice weekend. See you Monday.